Hello friends and welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we are going to learn about how we can create and configure our public folder. So let's jump to our server and see how we can do that. So right now we are on our Exchange Admin Center and you can see the public folder mailboxes. So let's create our public folder mailboxes first, and I'll give the name it as a pub_folder, and let's select the organizational unit as a tech, and you can create a different mailbox database for the public folder, but in my case I am using a default one, and I have created a public folder mailbox, that is pub_folder, and you can see it contains a primary hierarchy. Now we will go to the public folder and we'll create some public folders. So let me create a public folder by the name of tech articles. Click on save. Let me create another one by the name of accounts, and let's create one more that will be HR, and let's click on save. So now these three public folders has been created, and let's create one more public folder inside a tech articles. That will be a subfolder. This is a subfolder inside a tech articles by the name of KB. Let's click on save. You can click on this up arrow to go back, and you can see we have a KB as a sub public folder inside the tech articles. So in the mail settings you can see here it is disabled and you have to enable it. So let me enable it. So now the mail setting has been enabled, and if you click on this folder permission you can change it according to yourself. Like if we click on manage, you can see the tech 1 is publishing editor and tech 2 is the owner. If you want to change it you can change it. Let me click on save, and if we recheck it once again, I'll click on manage. Let me close it. Okay, manage. Tech 2 is the owner and tech 1 is publishing editor. You can just uncheck the items you don't want, and I'll select the apply changes to all subfolder as well. Let me close it. If you click the edit button you can see the general, like you will get the name of the public folder, path, total items, size, and the mailbox name, and in statistics you can see the associated items, deleted items, size, owner count, contact count. In a limits you can set the storage quota, issue a warning at this MB, or prohibit the post at this MB. So right now we are using it as a default, but in case you want to change it you can change it from here in the limits. And in general properties you can see the alias and the display name. Email address will be techijack@techijack.local, and the member of, right now it's not a member of any group. You want to make, you can do that. Delivery option like send as permission and send on behalf permission, you can set it from here. And in mail flow setting you can restrict the sending message size or receiving size. For an example I set it as a 8, that means that it will restrict the sending message to the 8 MB. Let's uncheck it right now. These are the delivery restrictions. You can select the custom user who will only receive the message, and this property will get inside the every public folder if you edit them. So let me add it to tech2@techijack.local. you can just click on, right click on favorites and add public folder. You can see account, HR, tech article, these were our public folder we have created. So I'll click on these accounts, these public folder, and we'll add it. So these are added now. You can see under the favorites, you can see tech articles, HR and accounts. These were the public folder we have created. So let's try to send an email. Okay, let's test with tech articles. Okay, and let me put the subject as please go through with this mail. You can attach even some document with this. Right now I'm sending a simple mail. You can see the attachment reminder. That's why I didn't attach the mail, but you can attach whatever you want. And let's go to the another mailbox. Let me refresh it. Okay, you can see now we receive the email inside our tech article public folder. Please find the attached file. And same way you can send an email to the HR as well. This is not enabled right now, so we can enable it. It is enabled now, and the account is also enabled now. If you click on enable and click on yes, now you can send an email to hr@techijack.local as well. So I have enabled all the mailbox for these HR, tech articles and accounts. Let's try to send a new email to our hr@techijack.local. Please check it. Test mail with the mail enabled public folder. Click on send. Let's go to the another mailbox and see the tech articles. You can see please go through with this mail and please check it. This was the new email we just sent from another account. So our public folders are working fine.